Hi friends, I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: Jury finds NRA and ex-leader Wayne LaPierre liable for corruption. News details: in New York, a jury agreed that Wayne LaPierre, a former leader, spent a lot of money on himself, which hurt the gun rights group financially. The Attorney General of New York, Letitia James, accused both the NRA, National Rifle Association, and Mr. LaPierre of breaking state laws. Mr. LaPierre left his job just before the trial started. The jury decided on Friday that Mr. LaPierre's spending cost the group $5.4 million. He has already paid back some, but now he has to repay $4.35 million more. Other people involved were Wilson Woody Phillips, the former finance chief of the NRA, and John Frazer, the general counsel. The NRA itself was also involved in the case. Mr. Phillips was told to repay $2 million. Mr. LaPierre, who led the NRA for more than 30 years, was in court when the verdict was given but showed no strong emotion. Mr. Frazer didn't cause financial harm to the organization according to the jury, so he doesn't have to repay anything. He's the only one still working at the NRA among the defendants. The NRA said the verdict proves they were mistreated by some former partners who misused the trust given to them by the association. They also mentioned that they don't have to pay any additional penalties, and Mr. Frazer can continue his work with them. The gun lobbying group said it has made changes in recent years to its rules and how it handles money. The Attorney General of New York, Ms. James, commented after the trial that Mr. LaPierre and the NRA are finally facing consequences for what she called widespread corruption and self-serving actions. Originally, the New York Attorney General wanted to shut down the NRA completely when she sued them in 2020, but a judge stopped that. During the trial, lawyers for the three men and the NRA said it was an unfair and politically driven attack by Ms. James, who is a Democrat. But a lawyer for the state, Monica Connell, argued in her closing statement that the NRA, as a charity, should have used its money for its main purpose instead of spending it lavishly. Apologizing now or saying you'll put back some of the things you took doesn't erase what happened, Ms. Connell said. During the 6-week trial, prosecutors listed specific expenses they said showed Mr. LaPierre and other executives treated NRA money like their own personal bank account. Mr. LaPierre allegedly took more than 8 trips to the Bahamas on a private plane, costing $500,000 from NRA funds. There were also helicopter rides to avoid traffic jams, landscaping expenses, and even anti-mosquito treatments at Mr. LaPierre's home, as well as gifts and beauty services for his wife. Now, the judge, without a jury, will decide if independent monitors should oversee the NRA's finances and operations. Even though the NRA is based in Virginia, it's incorporated in New York City, so it falls under the New York Attorney General's oversight. The NRA was founded in 1871 for recreational rifle shooting, but has become a powerful political force in the U.S. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.